Well, after 542 days, Shibadoge has burned over 55.26% of its supply. Wow. Now, at the time of recording this, they have a circulating supply of about 187.898 Sextillion Shibadoge coin. I remember earlier, even from before the end of the last year and also from the beginning of this year, this was a coin that have about 200. Okay, I think they have about 210 point something Sextillion supply. Okay, that was what they have. But today you can see almost over 33 Sextillion has been destroyed. What strategy did they use to burn this? I was surprised when I saw that they have actually burned over 30 Sextillion. I was surprised when I saw that over 55% now have been destroyed. Unlike 50 point something percent, or let's say 51%, they burned since they started. And I'm happy that they are really increasing. The burning rate is really increasing gradually. And though maybe it all thanks to the tax burn of Shibadoge, okay? Because the tax burn of Shibadoge, I think they are charging 2.5%. So for me, I'm very happy to see this coin. Right now, at the time of recording this, holders of Shibadoge have actually hit 29,257 holders. Now, according to Shibadoge's website, they have about 9,251,400 market cap, according to Shibadoge market cap. But according to coin market cap, that is about $6 million. Okay, over $6 million. So this coin, based on statistics in the past 542 days, this coin is really doing well for itself. So with time, you might be seeing this coin flowing everywhere. With time, we might be seeing this coin dominating. With time, we might be seeing a lot of things happening. But I believe that God will always help us, that with our investment, we will definitely be making some profit. With time, I believe Shibadoge will definitely pump. So let's hope for the best, and I believe in the nearest future, Shibadoge should be destroying some amount of zeros. Well, remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.